Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Audi RS7 in Forza Horizon 5 using an easy method. First, you'll need to ensure you have access to the specific in-game events or challenges that feature this vehicle as a reward. We'll walk through the exact steps to complete these, ensuring you don't miss any crucial details. This approach avoids complex auction house bidding or extensive grinding, making it accessible for all players. Get ready to add this fantastic car to your garage. The easiest way to acquire the Audi RS7 is often through the Festival playlist. This in-game feature regularly offers exclusive cars as rewards for completing various seasonal challenges. You'll need to participate in races, PR stunts, and other activities to accumulate enough points. Keep an eye on the current series to see when the RS7 is featured. This method ensures you get the car directly without relying on luck or high prices. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Forza Horizon 5 tips. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh, whether you're gaming or on the go. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. While the Festival playlist is primary, other avenues exist. The Forzathon shop occasionally features the Audi RS7, allowing you to purchase it with Forzathon points earned from daily and weekly challenges. The auction house is another option, though prices can fluctuate. Be patient and check frequently for good deals from other players. Special in-game events or expansions might also introduce opportunities to earn this desirable car.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.